Today's show is a little bit of a twist. We're in the suburbs at a car collection in this house. Yeah, it's in a house, and we'll show it to you. You won't believe it.
As an upbringing, we weren't very wealthy, so if I wanted something, I had to build it myself. From a very young age, my first cars in high school were something that I usually had to build and work on, modify, so you're always tinkering with it and having to learn how. When I was 8 years old, I liked anything with an engine. If I saw a lawnmower, I saw a mini bike, I saw a car, I had to go out and play with it and touch it. I turned 50, and I told my wife I wanted to build a Corvette. And she goes, yeah. She goes, I never finish projects. So she goes, okay, here's the deal. You can go find yourself a 60 Corvette or a 59 or whatever year you want, but the goal is you have to finish it in a year. Otherwise, it's going. So 7 months later, that car was completed.
I gotta be honest, this is like a dreamland for a car person, and well, to say they're car enthusiasts might be an understatement.
This is the car that I have wanted my whole life. It's a 1931 8-98A Auburn. The 98 stands for 98 horsepower, so it makes it really easy to remember that. It's got a Lycoming straight 8 engine, and it has about 263 cubic inches. The A on the end stands as an accessory package, and basically that was about $900 more. And you got the 2 tires in the trunk for that. At the time in 31, this was about just under $2,000.
Very cool. I'll tell you one thing, this car is absolutely gorgeous. This isn't someone's house in the suburbs. This is the paint and body area, and this is a 1963 split window Corvette that's under construction, as well as a lot of cars under construction here. And the rumor is the gun down here only sprays red. He likes red cars.
This started out as basically, exposed ceilings that was not painted. It had concrete floor, unpainted. It was a very unfinished structure downstairs. Also, the driveway that goes all the way around to the back now with the power gates was not a driveway. It was just going through the grass. So we've had to finish the driveway out. Came in, very first thing I did when I got here is I sprayed all the beams black to kind of give it that warehouse look. And then we painted the walls white, and I got the race deck floor. And then over time, we found some old wood pallets and put them up on the walls, stained them, and just give it a little rough look.
Okay. I'm thinking a Jaguar V12.
Also coming up, this 1960 Corvette, we're gonna show you the transformation from a, I almost said Patrick Swayze.